Life is full of challenges, obstacles, and setbacks. There will be times when you feel like giving up, when the road ahead seems too long, too difficult, too daunting. But here's the thing. Quitting is not an option. When you're tempted to throw in the towel, remember why you started. Remember the dreams that fuel your ambition, the goals that light a fire in your soul. Remember the people who believe in you, who support you, who are cheering you on every step of the way. But most importantly, remember this. Every setback is an opportunity for growth. Every failure is a lesson learned. Every obstacle you overcome makes you stronger, more resilient, more capable of achieving your dreams. So when you feel like quitting, dig deep. Find that inner strength, that determination, that unwavering belief in yourself and your abilities. And keep going. Because here's the truth. The only way to fail is to quit. As long as you keep pushing forward, as long as you refuse to give up, you're still in the game. And who knows what you might achieve if you just keep going. So, no matter how tough things get, no matter how many times you stumble and fall, never quit. Keep fighting, keep believing, keep moving forward. Because the moment you decide to quit could be the moment right before your breakthrough. Never quit. Keep pushing forward, keep believing in yourself, and keep working towards your dreams. With determination, resilience, and a refusal to give up, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve anything you set your mind to. So, keep going. Your success story is waiting to be written. Embrace the challenges, for they shape your journey towards success. Stay unwavering in your pursuit, and your triumphs will become your legacy. Your success story awaits. Keep forging ahead.